Hello, my name's Melanie Hussell, and today's word of the week focuses on a silent consonant, climb. Let's have a look at this word. Climb, one syllable. Let's have a look at the sounds. K, L, I, long vowel. Silent B. Climb. Now let's put this word into a sample sentence. Good news, sales have climbed 10% this month. Did you know that pronunciation rule? When the word ends in MB, the B is always silent. So words like bomb and lamb. If you found this video useful, please like and share it. And if you'd like further help with your pronunciation or communication skills, do visit my site, Speak Up. Have a lovely day.